Hey, AI creatives, if you want to get paid to make clip art, but not just clip art, but kids clip art like you see here, definitely stay tuned to this video because I am going to be breaking down step by step how you can get looks just like this, but we're also going to be exploring the new Chatgpt 4.0 image edition versus DALL-E. And I want y'all to tell me in the comments which one y'all like better. So this image here was generated in the ChatGPT 4.0 version, and I'm gonna head over there, and I also want to just grab the prompt just so we can see what it does. So if you head over to chatgpt.com, you'll create an account if you don't already have one. I am using the paid version, of course, because it's just better to have the paid version of both ChatGPT 4.0 and Canva. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna open a new chat. Well, we already have one. So then I'm just gonna hit create image, and typically ChatGPT will just give you an image just to show you, but I always like to just say create image because I like to warm up my ChatGPT. And then what I want to do is I'm going to copy and paste this prompt here. And this one is going to be in a cartoon style. So I'm going to just get that ready. And I'm going to paste this in. So of course, it's not going to be the same. It's not going to look the same. It's going to look different. However, this is still what I use. But look at this. Such a nice image. Birthday sale. They are so on point in this new ChatGPT 4.0 feature with the spelling and being able to create graphics that it never did before. What I can say is, though, is that this version is a lot slower than the version in DALL-E. I can say that. As you can see, it's finally finished loading. So now I'm going to go ahead and add this prompt here. So one of the things I want to note is that this is an image that I had already before, and this looks good. So this is typically the watercolor feature that they have. So I'm going to make it bigger just so you can see. And I don't really like the way the ChatGPT 4.0 does the watercolor. It's not bad, but I do like the DALL-E version better. But here we want to just go ahead and put in the prompt of the two adorable African American girls, and we're just describing what it is. So it's going to take a while. So while this is generating, what I want to do is I'm going to head back over to Canva, and I just want to show you a few different things that we have going on inside of here. One of the illustrations that I got from this prompt here was this image. So of course, in some of my other videos, you may have saw that you are now able to change the skin tone, change the color, and different things like that, which is super, super cool in the new Canva option. It doesn't work for every picture, but I'm just going to show you how you can change. So here's the original image that we had. And here are the different colors that I changed it. So you could change the tone, like a bunch of different stuff. So what I want to do is I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to duplicate this page. And when you click over the picture, you're able to change the color according to the color palette. So as you can see, these two browns are the skin tone of the image. And then of course the purple matches the outfit. So if I wanted to go in and I wanted to do, like, let's just say like more of a dark brown or maybe a chocolate, you could just go in and type that in. You could also get your own color tones and different things. And these are a little bit lighter, but let's look for some darker tones. And you want to make sure you change this one as well. Let me see if it's changing. Okay, it is. Perfect. So let's see if we could change it. So that one is a little lighter, but I want to make it darker. So let's see if I could get it to a darker color. Let me just see if I could put in brown, because I want to get like a darker brown color. So let's see. This is a nice brown shade. And let's click on this one. Let's see. Let's type in chocolate. No, doesn't come up the colors that I wanted to. All right, so let's just do brown. And let's just see all the browns that come up. And you could also use the dropper as well to make it the colors that you want it to be as well. But we'll use this for now. So I like this brown color here. I like this color. It's a little bit different than the color here. As you can see, this one is the original. So it's a little bit lighter. And now I just want to change the color. So I can make it red. I could make it this yellow, which I actually like it this yellow color. And it's just a little blurry. So let's make sure that we could get it from not being blurry. Okay, so we fixed the blurry problem. All right, so now if we open this up, we can see that it looks good. So look, it's a lighter color. I'm loving it, like, a lighter skin tone color. And then we also changed the dress colors. And now we just have different versions. So let's go back over to ChatGPT. But first, go ahead and type design in the comments if you know that you want to be a part of this design club that I have specifically for AI creatives at a special discount. Go ahead and comment design, where you'll get images just like this and the prompts to go with them delivered to you every single month. So you can create with me, or you can just go ahead and upload these images to your stores and make money every single month. So let's go back to the design. And as you can see here is a design. So we'll go ahead and download this here. So we want to allow it to download, and then we'll bring this in. And then let me show you. So we'll go ahead and go in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a page. I'm going to add this to the uploads inside of here, and then we're going to take this same prompt. So while that's uploading, and we're going to bring it into DALL-E. Okay. So what you want to do is, if you don't have DALL-E already on inside of your library, you're going to go to Explore GPTs, and you're going to search for DALL-E, DALLE, and you're going to open up the DALL-E. Okay, so when you open up the DALL-E, you're going to put in that same prompt, and you'll see the difference. So DALL-E works off of a older version of, the digital illustration in ChatGPT. So the images look different. What I can say is that in the ChatGPT 4.0, the hands look so much better. So let's open this up, because this is not bad, right? This is not a bad image at all. These are really cute. I mean, we could still download these. We could still use these, but let me know in the comments which version y'all like better. So are y'all feeling this one, or did you like the one that's just straight in ChatGPT? So hold on, let's go ahead and go back, and then we'll also do retry, just because it looks like something happened with the conversation. So yeah, but we have this image here, and this is the image that was generated straight from the ChatGPT. And as you can see, we could change the colors out here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color outfits to, let's see, I like the pink, maybe. Let's see if we do a blue. I like the blue better. So let's do a blue. Let's change the skin tones here. And again, we can also look for different color palettes by using a dropper, or just searching for different shades of brown. But look, immediately darker, lighter. Don't really like that color. Not that one, but this one is perfect. So this is a perfect, and let's see where this purple is coming from. And let's make this purple. No, so we're not even going to change that, because that's just the purple tone in the balloon. And you can see here, it'll change the whole color. And I like this blue color here. So it's still loading as it's changing. All right, so now we have it done loading. And now we just want to open this up. So we want to open this up. and we want to see how it looks. So, and like, let's just pull up the original just so we could look at it side by side. Oh, and I might could just put them on top of each other. So let's just make this one a little bit smaller, and let's bring in the original. So let's put the original on top, and let's put this one on the bottom, and let's put these bad boys right on top of each other just so we could compare them and see how we changed it. Okay, so look at that. So we changed the skin tone here, and we changed the color of the dresses, and these look phenomenal. And as you can see, the fingers look way better in the ChatGPT 4.0 version. And we're gonna head over, and I want to save the DALL-E version, but I also want to just show you. So this is the same prompt here, and I just changed it from purple to pink. So we'll go ahead and we'll let that generate, and we'll see how it comes out. All right, so now we have this image here. So I'm going to download this. This one looks pretty cool too. And we'll go in and let's see if we can change it. So I do want to point to the attention that sometimes you are not able to. And let me make sure I got both of those images in. So I'm going to bring both in. Sometimes you are not able to bring in images and change the colors. So obviously, hopefully, Canva will work on that. But sometimes you are not able to change it. So let's duplicate, add page. And this is the one again, as you can see here. This is the one, and this one probably would be an example where it would be difficult. Like you could change the skin tone, but it probably wouldn't look right if you change the colors, like not all the time. So as you can see here, see it's not like ideal for you to change it, but you can change the skin tone, which is still cool. And this one is the one that was generated in the DALL-E version. So this one is here. So let's go ahead and bring in the new ones. I also love the new Canva feature. You can add a page inside of here, and you could change the dimension. So you see how this wasn't fitting. So I went ahead and changed and resized this page. And how you do that is you go to add page type. And if you click on more, you could go to custom size. You could add in the size. So that way I could have multiple images in one document, but they're all sized to where they need to be. So if you look at these two, which is really cool, it's perfect, but we're going to go ahead and go back to the original size that we had because the new image should be in close to that size. So here's the new image right here. And look, you can see the height of it. So it says 1948 by 2961. So let's go ahead and put that in 1948. I think it was 2168, something of that nature. But I'm going to do create new page, and it's going to create me a new page. And if I add this in, see if it's a lot, it fits a lot better. Still not the perfect size, but it fits on the page a lot better. So I would go in and get the exact size, but this fits a lot better. So what I want to do is, again, I want to change the skin tone, so I'm able to do that. And let's see how it comes out if I change the color. So I don't like the skin tone with this color. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll change the image first, meaning like the color, and then I'll go in and change the skin tone. Oops, hold on. Because sometimes that makes a difference on how the image comes out. I don't like really any of these colors with it. I do like the pink with it already, the original image, but I don't like changing the colors of the dress. Now you can go in and change the shade, which is fine, and that is totally fine. So if you want to change the shade, that looks good. But I would still keep it in this pink color because it just looks the best in this color. Now we can see if maybe we could change it to this lighter color. Nope, see, still doesn't look right. So this is how you would use, and this is the prompt for the ChatGPT 4.0. Okay, so that is how the images come out. So again, I like the, and this is some other images here as well. that were done using the Chatgpt 4.0 version. So I like those. So again, if you want to be able to create images like this, get prompts delivered to you, and be able to use these to make extra money, go ahead and comment the word design. And don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe.